Good day, my people. Good day. Abians of goodwill. Abians all over the world. Good day, our followers, our subscribers, our fans all over the world. Support Kebu TV on the MIC. And today is Monday, the 22nd day of April 2024. Kebu now report about School Road by X. School Road by X. The DG of Gada, Greater Urban Development Authority, in conjunction with Abia State Government, after they receive a report from federal government concerning the state that will be ravaged, the state that will be affected by flooding, this year flooding from the chart, so which Abia State are inclusive. Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Shoma Oti, in his magnanimity decided to take the bull by the horn by setting up this Gada for them to desilute everywhere, desilute all our waterways, desilute our school road gutter, the biggest gutter in Aba that carries all the flooding to the Aba River. So they have been doing this for past 1 month, making sure that everywhere is kept clean and also ravaging. So you can see how bushy these places are, but the lesson I even think how neat they are. So they are still desilting them, and that I'm the water happier. You can see how neat our waters are now. So moving forward, we'll be rest assured that one of the ministries so you may affect or ebe tojo may overflow to people's buildings. No. It's not possible. So this is exactly what is happening here today. Now Monday, the 22nd day of April 2024, and Kebu no Aba just to report as planned, just to report as it happen. So we always be telling you what didn't happen. We always be showing you Abians and also our followers all over the world what in the sub and what we expect to get or achieve in this very project. Keep watching while I show you. So I can the crossing bridge, the only crossing bridge connected to the X with the other part, as it is my other part of Aba. So even Obiora, the popular Obiora road, the car under construction. But because of the length and also the level of heavy duties in Abeba due to this desilting, so they are still doing their filling, which you can also see at this moment. Actually today, this very desilting, massive desilting of our waterways. So we need to be showing you and also showing you how it is and also what you expect to get. So we saw happening today and my Sunday and my Saturday even Hannah himself now on Saturday. There were 2 big snakes with some people who they allow. So look at the drainage now. You got on here move accordingly. On here move wirely. On here move horizontally. Okay, can I watch it? And I'm not here to show you how it is sub. So you will be rest assured that not here group can name it. You will be rest assured that ever again visible shape and the era of overflooding, the era of everywhere they impacted at a thing of the past. So the governor who always listens, the governor who has the ears on the ground, the governor who is supposed to work and also serve Abians, are always ready to deliver and always. So keep watching Kebu TV. I will show you. As regards to this very silting. Yeah, thank you. So, Oro Amela, Oro Firewala, so I know operation, open up all blood drainage, operation zero pothole, operation clean up Enyimba City. So it's all happening. Though he's not the first that did it, but in terms of the silting of all our drainages, of all our big gutters, in Aba, this very administration about they are so much. Yeah. My friend, the Buddha neighbor, awesome with with this achievement. Me again, you look at Bansobu, now this very year. this year flooding agadi Umuahia because all the waterways has been opened up, all the waterways have been touched, and all the faulty drainages has all received attention. And one good thing about the administration, and now we say na main roads, and they clear na sipa trucks. Ndezi pepuri anapu immediately, meaning that all here guru can the man actually delay or try to block share and also or try to cause unnecessary traffic or try here and make 1 minute as one also back when they megota. If we have been carro, you know how clean all day. If we have been Umuahia na Rubaro, you know when you I get Kechikoya, so happening today, Monday, and I day in the that one has is 2 weeks, over 2 weeks now. And now and that when I can only about a minute. So you work another I was in and making sure like an see you name in Abba, you name in other state, you name in a Libu, you name in Nigeria as it happen. So the machines are on already delivering, and I scoop here, and I touch there, and I see there, one after the other, and the kebu no one nihuaro. You make sure you get the information as it be. Are you not happy to be part of Abia State? Are you not happy with what you are seeing already? Are you not happy? How neat are roads this Umuahia? Here this is scoop by even that very well. And you can see, you can also see the movement of the water. You can also see now all speed well up. Yeah, check. Let me zoom. You can see the movement of the flooding. Here, Wahinde block Jabura block before over the years. Oh, him to do to Wahinde Pochichare. Ogana a move off for my Emetamuzo. Your bands were back. Overflowing, overflow. Your to be born down like the subway. So what do you see? Okay, maybe sure. By that time, and you'll be not there concerning these things that you are enjoying. You always see videos. I remember upload on the internet. I see when a government is not working. Everybody with a conscience. Everybody in Abia State. Everybody in Abia State today. Everybody in Abia Toboda can attest to you to the fact that this government is not joking. This government have a track record. This government has a reputation to protect, and this government came fully prepared in terms of redefying, in terms of revamping, in terms of reconstructing, in terms of fixing Abia State. So Kabu is telling you and also assuring you that get seated, relax, be yourself, pray for the government, support the government, and also pay your tax. Don't be an enemy of progress, and also don't throw refuse inside our drainage. It will block our waterways, thereby causing flooding, causing breeding mosquitoes, and also causing our people to fall sick. So keep watching, keep sharing. Mama, I hope you're happy. Keep sharing, keep commenting, and also keep following. So the Obo on a serious loading, on a serious excavation, on a serious the silting of the school road, the popular school road got adjacent the popular 222 Clifford Road drainage. Yes, everyone who now school road, the other one Obiora. So massive desilting and also clearing of everything, every rubbish that can be able to tend a hazard, tend a danger of any kind. And then they will push you. So kebu no can only hold Simba. Can I report here? As soon as they happen. Can I report here? Because all here you can see the equipment, you can see the operator. All the dirty, all the refuse, you know, operation clear ground, operation clear Aba and also get Aba working again. Yeah, you are watching Cable TV. I love you all. Oh, so keep reacting, keep following, keep sharing, and also keep dropping your comments. We'll always respond to you guys. We'll always give you feedback on what is happening in the state. Thank you for following us.